Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a Walmart haul, and this isn't very many items, but I still wanted to share it because there's some cute items and there's some new Bodycology stuff I found, so I wanted to share it. Yesterday we found these cute Halloween plates. I actually didn't get these because they're Halloween. I do like the little tombstones, the little haunted house, the crows. That's all fine and dandy, but these are the same plastic plates that are microwave and dishwasher safe, and they're only 50 cents. So I did get two of the black ones and two purples, and the purple have ghosts on them with the stars and the bats, which I do really like those. And I think this would have been cuter too if they would have matched my Pioneer Woman stuff a little better, but that's okay. I like these for just quickness. They're easy to clean, and yeah, they're 50 cents. And then I also got two bowls. So these bowls are 50 cents each. Same design as the black plate on the bowls. They did not have the purple bowls, just black. So picked up two black bowls and 4 plates. Other household item I grabbed was the Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength dish soap. This is my favorite dish soap. It works fantastic. I got the 56 fluid ounce, which is like $6 and some change. This one is not a refill bottle. I'm assuming you could use it like that, but it does have the squirt nozzle to use it just like this, but it is massive. And I picked this up because I was tired of using the dollar stuff I found at the Dollar General. The Clorox dish soap is terrible. It does not sud very long. There's not a lot of suds to be had even when you use so much of it. I'm going to finish that bottle and be done with it. I'm not ever purchasing that again. Real quickly, that's what this looks like. Nice scent. But I also feel that scent, even with extra rinsing, still kind of lingers on the dishes. Just to note that. But this stuff is not very good at all. I recommend, if you're going to buy something dish soap wise at the Dollar General for $1, I definitely recommend the Home Bright Ultra Dish Spray in the Ocean scent. This works fantastic for $1. So definitely recommend that if you want a $1 one, or a cheaper alternative, because it works fantastic. And but yeah, I needed to grab this again because it's my favorite, and I do not like having to fight with that Clorox dish soap. It's not good. Quick camera angle change because now the Bodycology items. The Bodycology items are $5 each, $4.97, so $5 each. I did find a couple new scents. They have their winter scents out right now, as well as summer and fall. I love that they have slightly changed the packaging on these. They do look more like Bath & Body Works items. You do get more product, especially in like the shower gel, opposed to Bath & Body Works. I love their body creams too, but I already have the Bodycology Cozy Fireside and S'more body cream. So I wanted the body wash. This is 16 fluid ounces. And I believe these used to be closer to $3–4, but now they're $5. But look at the cute packaging. So cute. I always love their packaging. I love the scent for fall. The past, I want to say, at least 3 years, I've been repurchasing this particular scent, the Cozy Fireside S'more. It smells really nice. Vanilla, chocolate. Awesome. Definitely recommend that one. It lathers really nice. It's very moisturizing on the skin, and a little goes a long way with this body wash. Love that. And then, like I said, they still had summer scents of their limited edition stuff, and the fall scents and winter scents. So I did find one summer scent that I was interested in. This smells amazing. I went with the intentions of finding the next one that I'm going to share. But I actually, and I wanted to find vanilla. I wanted a vanilla scent. I found two different ones. So this one here is 8 fluid ounces, Bodycology, and it's called Floating on a Cloud. What adorable packaging. And this is a fragrance mist, and it's whipped vanilla and burst of fruit. So it's a vanilla scent, but light scented berry with it as well. And I mostly smell like the blueberries, and it smells so good. Or not having a super strong sprayer, which I like. I don't like to be blasted every time I spray a mist on. This scent does linger for hours on the skin, and you'll get a maximum payoff when you use the sprays with the body wash and the cream as well. But they only had the cream with this one. I did not pick that up because I didn't want it, but the spray is fantastic so far. Loving it. And then this is the one I went to go look for. Thank you, Terry, for sharing that with me. And it's the Bodycology Winter Vanilla. And there also was a Frosted Berries, which I did not pick up. But this one is the Fragrance Mist, 8 fluid ounces. Love the packaging once again. And this is Midnight Blueberry and Vanilla. So once again, it's a vanilla scent with blueberry. But it smells so good. Not only does it have that vanilla note, but it's also an extra sweetness to it. And I really like this. I would like to have possibly the shower gel in the future to this one. I just didn't need it right now. And I also noticed that they are selling Bodycology candles, which I believe is a new thing, and they were $10 each. So just some little random bits that I noticed yesterday at Walmart. But I am really, really excited for all of the Bodycology items. And I love that they're a fraction of the price of Bath & Body Works and super comparable to Bath & Body Works. So that's everything I got at Walmart, and I thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links, and stay tuned for more videos like these.